Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing a suitable icon file and making a backup of the original shortcut. Choose a high resolution, ICO for Windows or a PNG for Mac OS, then convert if needed. Once done, find the browser shortcut on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Make sure you have permission to edit files in that location. You'll use that shortcut as the edit point. This avoids changing program internals and makes it easy to revert if something goes wrong. Next, you perform the actual replacement using the platform-specific method. On Windows, right-click the shortcut, open Properties, choose Change Icon and browse to your ICO file. On Mac OS, open Get Info, select the small icon in the top left, and paste a copied PNG or icons. On Linux, either edit the desktop file's icon equals line to point to your image or use your File Manager's Properties dialog. As you work, confirm file paths and file type. Finally, make the change permanent by refreshing the system cache or restarting the File Manager. On Windows, run IE4UInit or Restart Explorer. On Mac OS, log out /in or use Kill-All Finder. On Linux, restart the desktop shell. If the icon reverts, check permissions and that the icon file remains at the same path. Moving it breaks the link. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep the original backup, so you can quickly restore the previous shortcut if unexpected behavior occurs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.